got Powerbox transmitter, JR servos, turbo transmitter, Powerbox Mercury, SOS, so servo redundancy system, I believe, and JR servos. So this is a version 1. How old is that? Because the useful thing for him was nothing.
That's going to be about 10 years old.
Yeah. Well, I've got models about that. I think it's about 3 parts.
This is powered by a Jetmux 160, which is an old engine. Produces about 165 watts, 170. It's a Spanish manufacturer. I think we're up to about version 4. Based around Eurofighter Typhoon, and that's how it's been painted. Very convincing.
British, German and Spanish.
I think it's Spanish, but there was a consortium, and the French Dostal actually opted to get out of it.
That's why they're very similar.
Full size has a lot of composite components, including the wings. I kind of want to say the wings are glued onto the full size. It's not quite like that.
At least 10. So this one, 160, great turbo. So I think this had a brushless, I think it might have had a, no, that was too early. It was a brush starter and a brush pump. And they did move over to brushless starters then brushless pumps. This was external to the turbine, where it wasn't got used to the board and the 2 valves on board. This is about separate valves. And they would have probably been gas start. The 160 was a carrot start, but like you said, had external valves on it.
Coming in fast, hot. And he's down. Give him a round of applause.
Oh, I think he lost his nose leg there.